Hello class, this is a video tutorial on the associative laws. The law states the order which addition or multiplication is done does not matter. Only true, this law is only true for addition or multiplication. I've got here 6 examples just to demonstrate this. Let's say we have an all addition sentence, number sentence. Most would want to just go and read it from left to right. But what this law states is that it doesn't matter which pair of addition we do first. Meaning, we could do 3 plus 4 first. So we could treat those two first and then add the 7. Or we could add the 4 and the 7 first. Oops. So we've done the 4 and the 7 first, and then add the 3. Or even, we could do the 3 and the 7 first, like this, and then add the 4. It doesn't matter which two of the 3, or even 4 or longer, we do first. So, and all of these will give us the same answer. But for now, I'm going to be focusing on the third number sentence. So 3 plus 7 will give us 10. Carry that 4, which will give us 14. Okay. For this one, I'll demonstrate it and make it a little bit simpler. Let me do the 9 plus 3 first. So the 7 will carry down. 9 plus 3 is 12, which will give me 19. So in this example, I did these two first. In this example, I'll do these two first. 8 plus 7, well, 8 plus 7 is 15, plus the 2 which we haven't used, which gives me 17. Just to really emphasize the point home, let me do the same question. Oops. 8. But this time, I'll do these two first. 7 plus 2, well, that's 9. 8 plus 9 is also 17. So the associative law says that it doesn't matter which order that you do addition in, it will still give you the same answer. This associative law also is true for multiplication, and I'll demonstrate this to you in this one 3 different times. So let's just do this one left to right first. So 2 times 3, well, that's 6. The 4 we haven't used, so we'll write it down again. 6 times 4 is 24. Let me do this question again. This time, I'll do it in a different order. Let me do 3 times 4 first. 3 times 4, well, that's 12. The 2 times here stays where it is. 2 times 12 is also 24. Alright, let's move right along and let's demonstrate this a few more times. Now, in this one, I'll demonstrate it where it might be useful. Let's try to do this from left to right. 4 times 6 is 24 times 5. This will give me 24 times 5. 20 times 5 is 100. This is going to be 120. Now, let me demonstrate this, how I would normally do it, and do a few little tricks here. 4 times 6 is not the easiest, but I do know 5 times 4 is 20. So I can rearrange this, since everything is multiplication. I can rearrange this to become 4 times 5 times 6. 4 times 5 is 20. Okay. 6 times 2 is 12. With an extra 0 because of the 20, we still get the same answer. Last example here, working from left to right. 5 times 4 is 20 times the 2, which gives me 40. I could rearrange this question. Let me write it again first. I could rearrange this question to do 4 times 2 first. 4 times 2 is 8. So 5 times 8 is also 40. To really emphasize the point and sell the point, let me do it one more time. This time I'll do it in a different order. In this first one, I did this as a pair. In the second example, I did this as a pair. In this last example, I'm going to do the outside numbers, the 5 and the 2, as a pair. 5 times 2 is 10, times the 4, which we haven't used. And if you take a look at that, it's still also 40. So now I hope that gave you an insight into the associative laws of addition and multiplication. Best of luck!